Is that a cat? Looked like a big channel. Wow, dude, he's wearing you out, boy. Nice cat, man. Yeah, nice job. Man, you got fish jumping behind you. They're all over the place. Look at that channel cat. Oh, yeah. Nice. That's a giant. That's a nice fish. Nice fish, man. Oh, he's a beaut. Nice. Whoa!
Alright, dude.
Nice. Way to start. 8-pound channel. Start off the day. Perfect. Nice job, bro. That's a beast cat, bro.
I love it.
Nice
That's
job.
Awesome. Biggest cat I ever caught.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice, man. 8-pounder solid, no doubt in my mind.
Alright, let's let him go to the fishes.
Alright, see ya, buddy.
Go, buddy. Good fight. Yeah,
Good
like
fish.
it.
Good fish. First fish of the day and he freaking ran ya. Woo! Nice job. Could be smallmouth. Could be, oh no, I missed him 3 times. There he is right there. He hit it again. I don't know. See? Got him that time. Got him. Hey, Betty! Ben! Nice channel cat. Oh. I told you it's a giant smallmouth spot, bro. I know, that's a 4-pounder. Yeah, that's a big smallie. Fenwik coming to the rescue. Yeah, he's pretty. Hey, Ben. Hey, Ben.
That is a monster.
That's what I came here for.
That is a monster.
You know how I know this is a 4.5-pound smallmouth? You know how I know?
How's that?
I'll show you right now. Caught him before.
Are you serious?
Yep. White eye.
You caught him?
Yep, I caught him before.
Dude, that is a monster. Look at that thing.
Yep.
That is a monster.
Cat daddy. I believe so. Am I wrong? Nice channel. And he ripped you. Nice. Skinny. There we go, Benny. Whoa, boy. He's running. He's running. Big cat, Ben, I feel it. I can feel him shaking his head, yep. Nice fish. Woo-hoo-hoo! Nice. Oh my. Oh my. Hey Ben, I think we might have a big fish on here, bro. My hand's hurting a little bit. Here, reel this one in. Yeah. Get you on film. Pretty freaking big, isn't it? I want you to feel that Fenwik rod. Isn't that rod nice, Ben? Whoa! 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 Dude, I gotta land that. I'm taking him home, I think. That's probably the biggest one I ever caught out of here, out of Shenango.
Dude, you getting this on film right now?
Yeah, oh yeah. That's probably, yeah, that's biggest. Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Whoa! That's a 12-pound, 13-pound flat. Oh my. Oh! Dude!
Oh my god.
Hold on to him, Benny. He's 15 pounds. He ain't no. Ben! Dude, that's a 15-pound channel cat right there.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Holy
Are you kidding me? That might be close to 20, me. Dude, that might be close to 20.
That's probably close to
That's definitely 15.
That's a chunker.
Look at that thing. Oh, man!
Holy smokes.
Memories will stay of that fishing day.